As a woman of Christian faith, do you ever struggle with where weight loss and the pursuit of health intersect with your relationship with Jesus, your daily walk as a Christian woman? Well, you're not alone. And I want to invite you today to participate in a program that my co-author, Robyn Thomson, and I are offering called the Spring Body Reboot. Doesn't sound very spiritual, does it? But it is. And we don't just give lip service to bringing Christ into our journey of weight loss and the pursuit of health. We are really serious about not only bathing this entire program in prayer and praying with you during our Zoom coaching sessions, but being willing to dig deep and look at some spiritual truths that God is calling us to when it comes to stewardship of our bodies. I don't know about you, but I've been a Christian for over 50 years. Became a follower of Christ in my early 20s, and so I've had many ups and downs over those decades. And what I have learned is God is so patient with us, and yet He desires us to have victory in these areas of our life, not just so we look and feel better, but so we bring Him glory and we can live out our purpose. So I just encourage you to click the link provided. It will give you all the details, and prayerfully consider joining us on April 26th through May 23rd for the Spring Body Reboot.